and gentlemen, welcome to VJ for Sports. So we've got the result for the Chelsea versus Manchester City game, and it was not in favor of Chelsea. It was a 0-1 with a win for Manchester City. Either way, we will take the result. It was not a great performance for Chelsea Football Club. At the Stamford Bridge, we expected a lot more. Tuchel was not on top of his game today. That's how I'd put it. The first half was miserable for Chelsea. We were not able to find players on the attack. We were not able to withstand the high press from Manchester City. Yes, we will have to definitely give credit to Pep Guardiola in applying those high pressure tactics on Chelsea, which really worked wonders. So City at the end of first half it was 0-0, but then we were playing with a different formation. We were playing with a 3-5-2 with Lukaku and Werner up top. The three that we had in the defense was Rudiger, Christensen, and Aspilicueta. We had Reece James and Alonso playing on the wing back, and we had Kovacic, Jorginho, and Kante playing in the midfield. When we played 3-5-2, I felt it was not as effective as it was against Tottenham Hotspur. So that did not really work against City. The midfield seemed to have been very congested. That should have not been the scenario when it comes to Chelsea Football Club. I feel at the end of first half, it was leaning towards City. But then what I also thought was they will not be able to continue this high press for further long time, but then they continued that for another 45 minutes, and we ended up conceding in the 60th minute. And then once we conceded, Tuchel decided to change the tactics, and we went with a 3-4-3. We brought back Havertz in and Kante out. Once Havertz was in, it was looking better in terms of our attack. We really got back into the game, but then it was too late for us to find an equalizer, and we were not able to find an equalizer at the end of the second half. So the game ended 0-1, leaning towards Manchester City. So it's an important 3 points for City, but since City has dropped points in the past games against Tottenham and Southampton, both Chelsea and City are at 13 points now, staying in this third and the fourth spot with Liverpool at the top of the table. They have a match to be played with Brentford later today. So let's see what will transpire out of that. But an advantage in terms of the points table at this point in time is Manchester United conceding a goal against Aston Villa and losing their home game at Old Trafford against Aston Villa, which puts them at 13 points as well, which means that all the top three teams except for Liverpool are at 13 points in the second, third, and fourth spot. Liverpool, if they win this game, will definitely secure their spot at the top of the table against Brentford. So that game is going to be interesting as well. I wouldn't read too much into this game. It is sort of a one-off game when it comes to Tuchel making this tactical error. I hope that he rectifies all of that and comes strong in the next game against Juventus midweek. We did not have Mason Mount playing this game, and he will be ready for the Juventus game according to Tuchel in his press conference earlier. So we will have Mason Mount's presence as well in the Juventus game, and hopefully we get a win out of this game. But then this game was not meant for us today. The standout performers in terms of Chelsea side would be Rudiger, Eduard Mendy, and Timo Werner. All three played quite good. Timo Werner played decent as well, alongside Lukaku. Lukaku did not get any service, did not receive any service from the wing backs, and he was furious about it during the game as well. Since we did not have anyone playing in that winger position, Lukaku was left idle in the center forward position, and you would not want your center forward to be remaining idle without any service. And that is exactly what happened today. Hopefully, that does not get repeated in the future games. Hopefully, we correct every mistake that we have done in this game and then come back stronger against Juventus. So we will probably do another tactical analysis of what exactly went wrong against City later in another video. But until that, I just wanted you guys to know about the score lines and inform you about my review for this particular game. So this is Vijay signing off. You guys have a great day ahead. Peace out.